Let's talk a little about the relationship between driving style and tire wear. As we all know, anticipatory driving style is good for fuel economy and road safety. On top of that, it also saves your tires. Modern premium tires are pretty soft, so they can provide excellent driving comfort and grip. On the other hand, they wear out faster if mistreated. By accelerating, braking and turning hard, your tires may wear out twice as fast as usually. Remember to also check tire pressures. If the tire pressures are too low, the rolling of the tires becomes heavier and they wear out faster. Driving calmly and taking good care of your tires will make your tires last longer and help you save fuel and money.